YouTube, I'm back. I know it's been a couple days since I uploaded a video, and here it is right here. I'm gonna do a startup. I haven't got everything completed on it yet, but it's coming. So it's gonna be a cold crank up for y'all. I know it's kind of dark out here right now, but I gotta keep the content coming. So hold on. As you can see, I got my Scan Master, but I need a chip for it. Got the wrong chip for it. So we're sitting here trying to get this chip right. Did get my boost gauge installed. It's pretty neat. Kind of changes colors. But yes, this is a cold crank up right here. Ended up having to get another battery. The battery went dead. I guess the car's been sitting a while. It's expected with 55,000 miles on it. Got my tag. Don't worry, any crazy people think I want to come to the house and try to get this. I got something waiting for you. Everybody always editing out their tags and everything. I ain't worried about that. I got something in the house for them. So, I'm going to introduce you to some people. Oh, they left. Never mind. Alright. So, like I said, this is a cold crank up right here. I did a little, got a 60 pound injectors in it right now. They had stock. Put a different fuel pump in here as well. And let's see, what else did I do? Fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pressure gauge, kind of hard to see it. Let me put this light on right here. Hold on 1 second, put the phone down. So, yep, more videos are coming. Still got work to be done. I'm gonna put an alcohol injection system on here, and I think I'll be done with the tasteful miles I went for right now. So, anyway, like and subscribe. Peace.